Hi, perfect competition is market situation where so many buyers and sellers are consist. They are buying and selling homogeneous products. Short-run equilibrium under perfect competition. During short time period, firm face three kind of situation: supernormal profit, loss. Supernormal profit. Quantities, price, cost, revenue. Average cost, marginal revenue, average revenue. Under perfect competition, margin revenue and average revenue curve is horizontal and both are equal to each other because firm is price taker. It can sell any quantity that fixed a price. Condition of supernormal profit. Average revenue more than average cost. Margin revenue equal to marginal cost. Marginal cost cut margin revenue from below. At OQ output, you can see average revenue is more than average cost. TQ average revenue, KQ average cost. Average revenue more than average cost. At OQ output, you can also see marginal revenue equal to marginal cost. Marginal revenue, marginal cost, both are equal to each other at this point, and marginal cost cutting marginal revenue from below at this T point. So all condition of supernormal profit is satisfied, and difference between AR and AC will be called per unit of profit. TQ, AR, KQ, AC, and difference, this TK will be called per unit profit, and this whole part RPTK will be called total supernormal profit of firm profit. Condition of normal profit: average revenue equal to average cost, margin revenue equal to marginal cost cut margin revenue from below. At OQ output, at this E point, you can see average revenue equal to average cost, margin revenue equal to marginal cost plus marginal cost cutting margin revenue from below. So at this E point, firm is receiving normal profit. Loss. Condition of loss are AC more than AR, MR equal to MC cut MR from below. At OQ output, you can see AC is more than AR. YQ, AC, EQ, AR. AC is more than AR. At OQ output, at this E point, you can also see MR equal to MC plus MC cutting MR from below. So all condition of loss is satisfied at this E point and OQ output. And difference between AC and AR will be called per unit loss. YQ, AC, EQ, AR. And this difference YE will be called per unit loss, and this whole part PRYE will be called total loss of firm under perfect competition during short time period.